daddy home? Did he go and leave me all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to the things that I do? I can take you higher. Oh, I'm on fire.
So this is a brand new paddle by Accent, part of their 2015 line. It's called the Edge Premier Slider. This is an ultimate fishing paddle. It's incredibly light. It's got a carbon twill shaft and fiberglass blades. What makes it ultimate is its ability to adjust from 240 to 260. Boats have different widths. Most of them have high-low seating positions, and pretty much all of them these days are stable enough to stand up in. This thing is great because it allows me to be able to move my seat up and down, but all of a sudden I can adjust the paddle out to 250 to 260 or however it is I need to be able to reach the water and get to those areas that hold big fish, like what we're going to today for the ultimate muskie lunch. Big old muskie.
What do you think? Dude, it's raining, man.